Okay, Assalamu alaikum class. Today we are going to do unit number 8 and this is a poem, Peace. The name of the poem is Peace, and the basic idea of this poem is that nature teaches us lessons through wind, water, mountains, light, many things. And wind in the form of a storm smashes and destroys everything in its anger. It destroys the trees, fields, buildings, but this same wind, when it turns into gentle and cool wind, it gives life to birds, flowers, and human beings. And we have to experience first the storm to enjoy the peace which comes after the storm. So, here are the two stanzas of this poem, The Peace. The first stanza is: the wind is now a roaring, smashing monster of destruction, raking all man's work from the valleys, from the vales, and sends them spinning, broken, flying. And in this stanza, the poetess describes the destructive and destroying aspect of the wind. She says that wind is bringing destruction everywhere. It is roaring, it is smashing the things. It has actually turned into a monster, evil monster, which is destroying everything. It is smashing all of the work done by the human beings. It is destroying the valleys, vales, the fields, the farms, all the things it is breaking down, and the things are spinning is telling us the things are like in a spinner. The spinner works in, sometimes you can say in your washing machines you have spinner. So the things are spinning and flying everywhere, broken and destroyed. So there is also a hidden message that the world is not without any purpose, and this destruction makes the world purposeful. It actually destroys all the things which are useful, which are not purposeful. It destroys and then turns the world upside down, so we make the world a purposeful place to live in. Here is the question: with what the wind is compared? The wind is compared to the monster of destruction in this. Now there is the second stanza over here, but all of that is not its core. Core means the central, very inner place. Its center is in the truth, eternal stillness, bright blue skies, and all you hear are gentle whispers, far away and unimportant. Dr. Hartman. So, in this stanza, the poetess described the destructive aspect of the wind, and then she described the construction and positive aspect of the wind. And she continues her statements and then tries to tell that everything which has already been described about wind is not the full truth. There is another side of the wind. There is a deep meaning in the wind. There is a deep truth lying, and whatever you look or you hear are just the gentle whisper which are far away from the truth, because the things in the first stanza are not the whole truth. So she is saying that these are far away from the truth. There is another side of the wind. Appearances can be deceptive. What you see can actually not be the truth. So she means to say that nature teaches us lessons through different of the aspects, and wind smashes everything, destroys everything, but when it turns cold, when it turns cool, it in fact gives the life to everything. So all the other things are unimportant. It is unimportant that the wind has destroyed everything. The important thing is that wind brings peace to the life. So it is the poem full of a hidden meaning and full of a great theme. Explain its center in the truth. It means that truth is in the center, truth is hidden. Just like you say the core of the earth, we cannot see the core of the earth, so we cannot apparently see the central truth of the wind. Only we can find this truth when these things happen. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you.